You can do a lot of things in configurable workspaces. You can configure buttons, form layouts, you can configure contextual side panel pages, you can configure lists and pages here in the L1 navigation. You can even configure or develop anything in the header of the form. But there is one thing you cannot easily extend, and that's the inbox. For example, I would like to know the time, how long I am in current present state on a meeting. Or for example, when I go to available, I would like to know if I have enough capacity to accept incidents. And it's not possible to do that. We don't have access to inbox component and we cannot easily extend it. But there is a way. Let's take a look on that. First, to have a clean environment, let's create new workspace. So App Engine Studio will help us with it. And let's create new app. Let's call it Inbox Extension Demo. We don't need any rows. Let's continue. And as soon as the app is ready, let's create a workspace for it, or experience. So let's do that. We can keep the name, Inbox Extension Demo. Rows, we need to pick something, so let's do it for admin right now. And let's use only incidents. Come on. And we can go with interaction. Good. Let's continue. And as soon as the experience is created, we need to set it up properly. It's done. Now let's refresh. And we should be in our Inbox Extension Demo scope. Good. And let's open it. So this is our workspace. And we don't have the inbox here. We need to implement it. And this is what we are going to do right now. So first, open experiences. I can close this. I can keep it service operations workspace. And open the inbox extension demo. Open the admin panel for that. And go to UX screens and open it in a new window. There is no easy way, like out of the box way, how we can insert the inbox in custom workspace. So we need to take existing inbox collections and copy paste it there. Let's do it. Let's find the existing inbox, and most probably you will find this service operations workspace records, and we are going to copy paste those two records. Actually, that's not those two records only. We need to open the screen collections. How do I do that? Like this. screen collection for inbox, and screen collection for inbox empty. So we are going to copy the whole screen collection of inbox and whole screen collection for inbox empty. Let's start with the inbox. So first of all, I would like to duplicate this step and insert and stay. It will create screen collection for my application, and let's call it inbox inbox screen collection, so we know it's ours. Let's copy the sysID of this collection and go back to the original screen collection for the service operations workspace, and let's open UX screen for that. It's here, and app route for that, it's here. Let's change the screen collection. Let's change the name, inbox screen, and insert and stay. And let's do the same with the route. So inbox route, our screen collection, and insert and stay. And there is one more thing you need to do. You need to change the app configuration. You can see that right now it's pointing to service operations workspace. Let's go to let's find our app configuration, and it's very easy. Again, I will show you the whole road. Open the experiences, open your experience, and this is the admin panel. This is the record. This is UX app config. So let's copy this ID, and where is it? This one. So first it's here, and save, and on the road it's here. Let's save, and that's all. The page collection for inbox is ready. We can easily confirm by refreshing the inbox screen collection we created. You can see screen is there, app route is there, and proper configuration is there. One more thing, go to the UX screen record. Oh, come on. Okay, I will open it like this. And we need our own page definition. We don't want service operations workspace inbox page. So again, open the page, double click here, and as soon as, meanwhile, copy this ID of the UX screen. Okay, like this. Inbox page, insert and stay. Okay, again, inbox page, save. And now copy this ID, sorry, and put it here. Good. Now we are ready with inbox. And let's do the same with inbox empty. I will just close this 1 million tabs here. We will need the configuration, but nothing here. Let's close everything. Okay, so inbox empty again. Let's insert and stay. Or by the way, didn't I do it already? Okay, only good. Let's insert and stay. And again, let's copy the UX screen and UX app route by duplicating it. Copy this ID, screen collection. Come on. Okay, I need to inbox empty screen collection. Now it will be visible properly. Okay, first let's refresh. Good, it's there. Inbox empty screen, insert and stay, and the same with the route. This is the collection, inbox empty route, insert and stay, and the app configuration. This is this one, and where is it? Good, and the same with inbox empty page. Let's open it. Inbox empty page, insert and stay, and inbox empty page. I don't know why the name is not saved. And copy this ID and put it on our screen. Save it. And then you go to your configuration. You'll see that we have everything properly configured. Let me open the screen collection right away. So empty screen collection. Good. Now, when you open your workspace, let's put it this way. Workspace is inbox extension demo. You won't see the inbox there still, because there is one more thing you need to do. When you go to experiences, let's close the tabs again. Go to inbox extension demo and find the service operations workspace as well. Open it. And what we need to do, we need to find the Chrome toolbar and we need to update it with the actual icon to the inbox. So open the service operations Chrome toolbar and find in this very nice JSON array, find the inbox. This one. And copy it to here. I don't need this analytics center, so let's replace. Save. And now inbox should be there. Is there. and it's working because on my name, on system administrator, there is already a work item waiting. So this is how you put the inbox in your custom workspace. This part is the inbox page, and this part is the inbox empty page. And now we are ready to do some magic here. Let's do that. Let's open UI Builder. And go to Inbox Extension Demo. This is our workspace. This is like all the pages for our workspace. And what we want to do, we want to create some extension for this inbox. I would like to have a place here where I can implement some custom something, custom page. So let's create new page. I don't want any templates. I want to go from scratch, and I will call it my inbox extension. My inbox extension. Okay. Let's continue. I don't need anything here. I will call it the variant my inbox extension default, and that's all. And where is it? It's here. Let's put a container there. Container. No presets, no presets. And I will call it my inbox extension container. My inbox extension container. And I would like to put another container. I will call it like only extension itself. And right now, let's save it. And here the magic starts. Go to experiences. Open your application. Go your admin panel. Go to UX screens. Find your inbox screen. Open the inbox page. And this is something we cannot edit in UI Builder, this inbox page, this panel, this inbox page. But what we can do, you can see, if you are familiar with the JSON structure here, if you know how UI Builder composes everything here, you maybe know that this composition, this object here, that's basically something in this tree. So what I can do, I can grab the agent inbox component. I will do right now. Copy. I will open the page definition of my extension page, and I go to the composition here, and I will put it where I will put it in the extension. So after the extension or in the extension. in here. So after the extension. Check it that you have valid JSON, and if you do, just like paste it there. So I just inserted the agent inbox into my extension page. So let's check it. Should be there. Agent inbox in the tree. It's there. Good. And now, one more thing I forgot. It's probably nothing, but this agent inbox comes with slot content, and I don't want it to be there. So it should be null. Don't forget, I always forget. I go back to my macro component, my inbox extension default, which is this. And again, I will just copy paste. So the agent inbox has no slot. It should still work. And let's put maybe only button there in the body of the extension for now, but it will change very quickly. Hello button. Hello button. Let's save it. And now, you can see even the inbox refreshes. Okay, so that's the proof that it's working fine. So far. So I'm still on my page, my custom page. Nothing to do with the inbox itself. But let's do this. Let's open the page. Let me close everything here just to have clear table. Let me open page definition. And at the same time, let's go again to experiences or inbox extension demo. App configuration, open the inbox page. And now, important thing, you need to keep this. You need to keep the root object here. But right now, you can notice agent inbox. And this agent inbox has slot content. So what I'm going to do right now, I will go to my page composition. I will grab the whole object of the composition. So I am grabbing basically this, everything inside my inbox extension container. So copy this, go to inbox page and replace this inbox object and put the content as a slot. Again, check that everything is fine. Should be. And save. And what I expect, I will see my button over the inbox, just like hello button there. So let's test. And why this is showing every time, I don't know. Anyway, so right now we have something custom over our inbox. So theoretically, you could implement anything inside this page and just copy paste it into the inbox page. But yeah, it's feasible. It will be okay because you will not probably develop like every week something there, but still it's copy pasting, and it's a hack, I would say, but still not easily maintainable. Let's change it. Let's go back to our extension page. We just copy paste it into Inbox, and let me close everything here, and let's remove the button, and let's put the tab component there, tabs component there. Let's call it extension tabs. I cannot change the ID, so I cannot do anything with that. And let's add new tab, and it will be page collection. Let's create new page collection. And let's call it my inbox extension page collection. The component will be tabs. We can keep app shell like this, but we need controller. But we don't have any controller here. We don't have any form or any list. So we can create our own controller, and it will be empty controller. So first of all, let's open the controllers list, click new, and it will be my inbox extension controller, and we need definition, and definition is a macro component of type controller, and we don't need anything special here. My inbox extension definition. It should be probably category controller, but it doesn't matter, I believe, because we are not going to create like the controller itself, like any functionality here. We just need an empty record for that. So let's submit, and let's save, and we have a controller. So now we can create the extension point, which is like the page collection, like this. And when I save it, and when I go back to adding page collection and refresh the list, I should find my inbox extension page collection, something here. Here, good. It's there. I can delete the first step that was like there initially by default. I can save the page right now, and let's open the page collection. Oh, that's nothing I need right now. And let's create new page for that. It will be, again, I should consider naming conventions before recording this video. It should be my inbox extension page, my inbox extension page. The variant will be like this. Let's open it, and let's write something there. Let's put container there, and let's, okay, I don't need any presets, and let's put highlighted value, for example, there. Again, no presets. It will be hello from extension page. Secondary, it could be positive. Okay, it will be tertiary, like this. Save. Let's open it just to confirm that the tabs component displays my page collection. And right now, I'm going to take again, let me close everything here. I'm going to take the composition of my inbox extension default, and I'm going to put it in the inbox again. I lost it. Let me open it again. Where is it? Inbox page. But you know the path, right? I will show you. Experiences. Your experience. Admin panel. UX screens. Inbox page. So again, I'm going to copy paste the whole component tree from my page to the inbox page. So again, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Again, let's check it. Should be valid. It's valid. Let's save. And now when I refresh my workspace, it should be there. Why it's not there? Okay, because I forgot the slot. Don't forget the slot. Don't forget the slot. Where is it? You see, this slot is important because otherwise your inbox won't be there or the whole page won't be there. And here we go. So right now, this area is completely customizable by you, and this is just agent inbox component. It wasn't modified by me, it was just placed to another container, I would say. So the functionality of the inbox should stay untouched as far as I know. Not as soon as far as I know. And as far as I tested. And it's logical. It's like encapsulated web component here. So it shouldn't matter where you put it. It should work just fine, theoretically. And let's play with this like extensible part right now, I would say. So let's close everything so you know the complete way how you can right now customize it. Again, let's start with, actually, we go to UI Builder right now. UI Builder, inbox extension demo, and let's open our inbox extension default. And we are not going to develop anything here because this is something that was copy paste to inbox, right? But this copy paste content points to our collection, so we can easily edit something on our collection. I can even close this because what I'm going to do, I'm going to only edit the collection itself. And what I can do, I can put something after, for example, button. Let's put it very simple. Hello from page collection. Save and refresh our workspace. And here we go. So right now, anything you develop here will be available here. What I don't like here is the My Inbox extension page. This is like the name of the collection because we are inside tabs component. So what I can do, I can go to my page collection, go to settings, general, and put something here. It's like general settings of the page, and the name of the page is actually the name of the tab. Why? Can someone tell me why it's still showing? I hate it. You can see name of the tab is name of the page. Unfortunately, it cannot be empty, and it cannot be something like this. Oh, this where's like empty space. It will not work. So it's like bad user experience, I would say. Oh, what you can do, you can put some entity there. Let's find some symbol. We are in the danger area, right? So let's put this danger symbol there. Don't try it at home. Good. Probably on a project, I would put something like favorites or something like that. Maybe tools, some tool icon. I don't know if there's anything like that here. It doesn't matter right now. Yeah, there is snowflake. Good. Okay, so I keep this danger icon there. It's only like for display purposes. Okay, so I promised you that I wanted not like only buttons, but for example, I wanted to see how long I'm in the state, right? In this, for example. So let's implement it. So let's open again your page. I will show you again the whole path to this page. It's like this. And my inbox extension here. So we want to react on status changing, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to implement a watcher that will watch my present state changing. So first of all, let's delete this component, and let's delete this component, and we can call it present states counter. Present state counter. Present state counter. Okay, and we'll put just highlighted value there. Highlighted value, no preconfix. It will be positive, and it could stay, maybe will be clock there, something like that. Okay, could be there like this, and when I refresh, it should be just fine there. Good. I don't care of graphics right now. So I will call it presence counter. Good. Right now, I need something that will watch my changes on of my present state. And we have something for it in UI Builder, and it's called Record Watcher. Record Watcher. And add, and let's call it properly. Present state record watcher. Present state record watcher. And what is the table for that? When you go to the backend, there is okay, it will be better like this. AWA agent presence history, and this is a table where all the changes are captured. So when you change something, let me show you. Right now, I will change from meeting to lunch. It will be there. Good. So I want to capture the changes in this table for the current user. How do I do that? Very, very easily. I will just grab the name of the table. I will put it here. Will it work? Yes. And the condition will be, we need to always state the condition for the record watcher to work. So I will use the agent there, agent, and in UI Builder we have access to its context, private props, right? No, it's context app. How is it? It's context definitely, session. Why it's not whispering? Context session, user, sys ID. It should be like this, but why it's not whispering? I don't know, but context session user sys ID is okay. And we would like to subscribe like every time. And before we go to the implementation, we always want to check our implementation in UI Builder, either by displaying data in some text area or something like that, or with console log. So let's implement very simple console log. Console log. And we would like to log the event. So every time record watcher receives a message, I want to log it there. Let's save and let's see the console here. Console, and let's refresh. Okay, and now I will change my state to something, and here we go. We received a message again. Very easy. Very easy. Now let's go back to UI Builder. I will need some state. I will need state for capturing the last change of my status. So let's implement it. I will need start time. It will be string, and I will need interval ID because I would like to be able to clear it. Interval ID. It will be number. And yeah, we can start with 0. It's okay. So what I want to do, I want to update the start time every time I receive the message from the watcher. So let's go to data, watcher, events. I can keep the log there for now, and I will update client state parameter, and let's script it. It will be start time, and the value will be what? We need milliseconds, right? To be able to properly count new date get time. Is it like that? Probably yes. So every time I receive a message, the start time should be updated. And again, let's see. I will put just simple input there, and I will connect the value of the input. Where is it? With my start time. So where is the value? Here. It's gonna be standard data binding, state, start time, and I don't want label there for now. Let's save, and let's open the workspace again. It should be right now input under the heads up, and every time I change, it should be there. You see, it's working. It's working fine, even for offline. Okay, so let's calculate the actual time from or since this until now and every second. And there is something inbuilt in so you can use it in UI Builder, and let's use it. Let's go to the page, and because we would like to start counting like as soon as the page is ready, right? So we go to body, events, add event mapping, and page ready. And we would like to start counting. How do we do that? We need a client script for that. So let's go to client scripts. Let's add new client script, and it will be handle counting. And because I didn't want you to bother with technical things more, so I already prepared the script here. Let's go. Okay, wait a second. Like this. Yeah, that's better. So simple function for counting the difference. Maybe I could show you like this. I'm sure you will understand. You can pause the video and take a look on that. Maybe only this. And I forgot to implement the elapsed time, because elapsed time will be actually used in the highlighted value. So we have start time, interval ID, and elapsed time. So let me implement it now. How do I, like this? Okay. Start time and elapsed time. It should be numbers, I believe. Everything should be number. So as soon as the page is ready, I will start the counting. So you can see that I will clear the interval. I will set up the start time, and every second I will count the elapsed time. Good. Again, we could probably take a look whether it's working. It should. It will be state elapsed time. I don't want label there. And it should be counting. Oh, why? What's wrong there? Why it's not a number? Oh, okay, because my testing script had wrong naming. And it should be like this. Now it should work. Now it should work. I don't have any error there. Let's observe. Nice, it's counting, and it should reset after I change my status. Nice, very nice. And one last thing, of course, we would like to show it in some kind of nice way. So let's do it. Let's delete the input, we don't need it anymore. And let's go to the presence counter, and we would like to change the label there. So let's go use it script, and of course I prepared the implementation. So I'm just taking the elapsed time and just counting hours, minutes, and seconds. Nothing more, no rocket science here. Apply, save, and here we go. Or not. Why nothing is happening? Come on, return. Is it? Why it's not doing anything? Elapsed time, and okay, I see. I copy pasted the whole function into the function. So that's the problem with copy pasting, but now it will work. it's working fine. There is something on the loading, but I'm too lazy to fix it right now. It will be probably, you see, not a number, initial values. You know what? I will let it on you. Just if you want to implement something like this, just fix it on your own. Anyway, I just showed you how you can extend the inbox, and of course, it's not only about like the counting of the time being in the current status. You can implement like any other extensions, for example, picking up work items, waiting in the queues manually, so you don't have to like wait. You can stay, for example, on away, be working on some incident, and you can manually take another work item from the queue, because you can like create such kind of extension here. Or for example, you can like implement a logic so when agent goes to available and he doesn't have the capacity for incidents, you can show him some like alert here, hey, you don't have the capacity for incidents, free your capacity first, or something like that. So yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I showed you how you can extend the inbox, but be careful. That's not out of the box way how you should extend the inbox. It's not officially supported, and you need to deeply understand the logic, how UI Builder constructs all the JSONs and all the structures in the backend. So from my point of view, it's on the edge, I would say. It's not a hack, it's some kind of workaround, because uh, ServiceNow doesn't allow us to extend inbox right now. They even doesn't, like out of the box, they don't provide us with a way how we can implement the inbox in custom workspaces. So even implementing the inbox is some kind of workaround. So extending, that's not a hack, it's a like senior or some kind of advanced way how you can implement something in the inbox. On the other on the other hand, we use page collections. So as soon as you implement, copy paste the structure inside the inbox page, afterwards you only update like only the page itself, the page collection itself. You don't touch the inbox structure anymore. So it should be safe. Leave me comments in the video below what you think about this approach. And thank you for watching.